I'm going to show you now how you make a work order by available time. So we have the situation that we have 30 minutes, we are waiting for some paper rolls, and one technician is available for our equipment. So we go to the equipment where we have the 30 minutes available. Then we click on Create Work Order. Then here we now filter on the activity we want to do. Maybe we just want to do lubrication. And we have 20 minutes that we probably have between the two jobs. So we say 20 minutes, one technician, and that gives us 17 minutes of a job. And we click on continue. Now we select one technician or several technicians. So just to be sure here, the number of technicians is not related to the number of technicians you are selecting here. So this is completely independent. So we select one technician and we release the work order. Now we can see we created work order number 61. This is pending at the moment and waiting to be synchronized to the technician app. As soon as we can see here the status created, we can expect the work order to be available for the technician on the device, that they can see it. Maybe it still needs some time more to synchronize it.